Hello children, welcome to today's computer class. Move to page number 23. Today we will understand the DOS command in a practical session.
We know how to open command prompt window. Go to start, run, type cmd and press enter key. This window will appear. Welcome to the MS-DOS command practical session. We will learn few commands or syntax and how it works. Let us start. Date command. Type date in the command prompt and press enter key. It will display current date. Here we used syntax date. Next time command. It will display the current system time like this. Syntax is time. Next dir command, it displays the list of directories and files in your system. Syntax is dir. dir/p. This command display directories in a page wise. If more directories or files are there, if will ask to press any key to continue. Like this. Next dir/s. It displays all directories and subdirectories in a specified path. Like this. Next dir/w. It displays list of names of files and directories in a like this. Next dir/b. It lists the file names of directories like this. dir/l. It displays directories and files in lower alphabetical case. See this. Next dir/o. It displays files and directories in alphabetical order. Look at this. Now we will create a directory using command make directory. Syntax is md. md space directory name. md space wisdom z1 directory named wisdom. Two more directories are created here. Next, remove directory rd. This command remove a specific directory rd space wisdom un directory removed, but we have to go back to parent directory. cd dot dot press enter. Then use this command. Change the directory command is cd space standard fifth. It used to move from one directory to another. Now we are in a standard fifth directory or folder. Next cd dot dot to go back to parent directory like this. Next cd backslash. This command used to go back to root directory. It will take you to C colon or D colon like this. Next, copy cone. It is used to create a text file in MS-DOS. Type your required information, then press Ctrl plus Z. And file will be copied. Like this, copy cone space class enter like this. One more file we are creating name as class 2. Next, hello student, be safe and happy. Run. Rename a file run space class space old file name space new file name. Run space class fifth. Now the file name changed to class fifth. Erase or delete. This command used to delete a file. Erase space file name or del space file name. Look this video. Next, copy. This command is used to make a duplicate file.
copy space source file space destination file. Look this video. Next, PRN. This command is used to print a file. PRN space destination file name. It will print the file name. See this video. Next, CLS. It clears the screen. Next command, exit. It will exit from MS-DOS window. External commands used to formatting disk, scanning and copying disk. Some of the external commands are format. It will erase all the disk data. Student, don't try this format commands. It will erase all the data. Next command, scan disk, used to scan the directories and files. Next command, chk disk. This command is used to verify bird sector in files. It also gives information about memory of a computer. Here this video permission not granted to show this command. Don't try these external commands in your system. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓണാശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. Thank you children. We can see in the next class. Bye.